But I hope sorry being here. Oh my God! Sino ka? So what is up y'all? Welcome back sa another video guys. It is my friend Parky at ngayon maglalaro tayo ng isang horror game na nakita ko lang online, and this is one of the most recommended games sa akin, and this is the VHS Paradise. And yes, try natin kung anong meron sa laro na to. Let's see kung anong maipapakita niya. Let's start! Okay, so yun na yun. Start na. Okay. Okay, let's go. So, ano gagawin natin dito? Hi Robert, I hope you're well. I hate this damn fever, but I'm recovering. Remember to start your shift by turning on the computer. I've left a good movie for you to watch when you finish your work. By the way, I heard that the rate of thieves increased a lot in the city, and much more at night time. Pay attention to what each customer is doing. If you see one leaving without paying, run to stop him. Be careful. John. Okay, thanks for the tip. Start yung shift. Yes. So, ano gagawin natin? We'll just wait here. Sabi diba, watch kung ano gagawin. So, abangan natin siya dyan. Ay, sorry ah. So, grabe mamunggo ah. Okay, wait lang. Hintay ko yan.
Hello, I want to rent this movie for 3 days.
Good evening, it's $4.
Here you go, my son will love this gift.
Is this a gift for your son? Don't you think you should buy the movie instead of renting it?
No, not watches the movie repeatedly first few days and then completely forgets about them. He is 11 years old. He loves action movies.
Oh, okay then. Thank you for your purchase.
Thanks to you. Goodbye.
Yeah, goodbye. Thank you. And first customer. Done. So, ganun lang. Paulit-ulit lang natin siyang gagawin. Habang like, kailangan linis-linisan or something. Grabe, punta ka dyan ate. Kala mo gangster? Hey, it is my son's birthday. He's 7 years old and wanted to have this movie very much, but I have no money. Have mercy. Forgive her and let her go? Should we? Oh! Kaya parang naawa man ako kay ate ah. Should we? Hinuli ng pulis. Ay, grabe ka. Kuya, nakakagulat ka. Hello, I'm taking this book for 1 day. It's $2, right? Hello, yes. Okay, I'm new in the city. It's pretty, but I heard there's a lot of crime. Yes, be careful. Did you move here or are you in vacation? I'm moving here with my husband. I hope everything goes well. Oh, I understand. Well, I have to go. Good night. Goodbye, good luck and take care. Yes, thank you for the purchase. So far dalawa pa ang customer na matino. Hello, kuya. Anong maipaglilingkod ko sa'yo? Sensya na, kailangan kita bantayan kasi baka magnanakaw ka rin eh. Grabe naman kasi halos lahat naman na lang kasi. Oo, hindi pwede. Hindi matatawaran ng kahit ano pagnanakaw. Should always remember that. Grabe naman mukha yan. Mukha niya yung host sa American show, si Ellen. Hello boy, do you have the movie Zoom here? Hello ma'am, that movie is currently in the cinema. It's not yet in the VHS store. I don't like the cinema. You'll have to wait then. Come here in a couple of weeks. We have that movie on sale by then. Okay, thank you very much. Bye. I'm so sorry about that. Medyo boring yung gabi ah. So I'm thinking if this game had multiple endings like the good or bad endings or the true endings or something secret endings na we should probably wait lang. Abangan ko muna to. Ayun. Kasi naughty rabbits in a sexy advert. What the fudge? Sorry, I'm just started. Do you wanna buy or rent it? I wanna buy it. Okay, it's $20. Here's the money. I'm surprised you're the only shit who doesn't really rent it. It's just a reflection. This is the one about a movie like that. The truth is, I don't give a damn. You can go now. I also like this movie since they're very exciting. What the f? I'm sorry, but I'm not allowed to chat with customer. But I have to close the shop now. I don't have time to say and talk to you. Thanks for your purchase. So, ano yung mas nicer way to, you know? Sorry. Sorry. Okay, yun na lang. Much better option. So, yun nga. So, as I was saying, iniisip ko kung if it has multiple endings kasi gusto ko rin siyang i-try. So, while my shift is over now, let's watch the movie that Chang left me. Okay, sure. So, I'm guessing ito yun sa part na ubos. Yan. So, may mga interactables ba dito? Like, ito yung movie? Saan yung movie? Ano ba sa taas? Ewan ko ba? Ngalang, check na natin yung taas. Ito nga. Close the shop and watch a movie? Yeah, of course. Why not? What a mediocre movie. I have never seen such a predictable ending. I wonder what Chen saw in this movie to recommend it to me. I better go home. I'm tired of being here. What the heck? Is there anything I need to do? Like, I feel like may kailangan pa akong gawin eh. Yun lang ba talaga? Just go home now. Wala na, no? So, let's go. Okay, so may cutscene. That was pretty nice. Ending 3 out of 3 endings. So, meron nga siyang multiple endings. Okay, so ayun na. Tapos na natin. So, let's see kung makakakuha tayo ng different endings. So, let's try and play it again. Let's see kung makakakuha tayo ng much more different endings. So, let's see. What if hindi natin pinakulong yung mga nagnanakaw? Like, we just let them be. Pinayagan natin sila magnakaw. So, I wonder what will happen or if this... Ayun. Kasi kulang unang costume. I'm uncertain about this place kasi alam ko parang may gagawin. So, what the heck? I really think there's something with this door that I should investigate. So yan, pinargue natin siya, pinaalis natin siya. So let's see kung ano nangyayari sa atin. Wala naman, normal lang. So what if di ko na sila abangan? Like, hayaan ko na sila pumasok and tumakbo pa ulit. Will there be any difference? Right? Alam ko ito si ate, magnanakaw din ito. Ito yung walang pera pambili ng anak niya. O diba? Trigger yung bad ending, right? Wala ka nang nabenta kasi nanakaw na siya lahat. So I think ito yun. Let's see. Ayan, matinong si ate. Hello ate. Hi, I'm taking this movie with me for 2 days. How much I have to pay? Ate, your grammar is not grammar. Hi, it's $3. You love this movie. It is one of my favorites. Okay, here you go. Don't have to end the chat. So it's surrender interest. Bye. Suplado. Balik ko to nga, isa lang. Suplado ni ate. Kala mo talaga. Ito ba si Manong na ano? Ito ba si Manong na baliw? Kasi ganyan yung mukha natin niya. Hindi, matino siya. Hey friend, I wanna buy this movie. It's $20. Excellent, finally. Finally what? I have finally reached 100 movies purchased. I love collecting these wonders. Do you even watch the movies? No, I don't see them. I buy them to decorate my house. What the heck? Okay, are you done to pay or what? Ah, yes, take it. Thank you very much. That's kind of weird obsession, like, pero it's understandable. Some of the customers talaga, kinokolekta lang yung movie, like yung pictures ng movies, just to, pass their time. Talagang magpuya. Ito na si kuya na ano, yung may little rabbit and sexy adventures. Or so I thought he is. Oo nga siya nga. Ayan, Naughty Rabbits na sexy adventure. Do you want to buy or rent? You wanna buy it? Okay. The truth is, I don't give a damn. You can go now. Because I don't give a damn. Sorry. That was a little too harsh, but I guess that's just what you have to hear. So yes, I believe siya na yung last customer. Yeah, ito na. Oh. What the heck? Thought the mechanic had fixed the alarm problem, but apparently not. I hope Jen's movie doesn't disappoint me. Oh, we've triggered another ending. Maybe yun yung customer. Close the shop to watch a movie? Okay, yes, let's go. I better get home. It's everything here. Oh my god! Sino ka? Oh my god! Oh my god! May umabot sa akin! What? The brakes don't... You died in a traffic accident. So yeah. So yun yung second ending. Which is I don't know kung good or bad or is it a neutral ending. Pero at least we got another ending. So yeah, so dyan nagtatapos ang ating video for today, and that is the VHS Paradise. And yeah, so I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa gameplay ko. Don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're always updated to all of my videos. And yes, this is Spring Parky. Thank you so much. Bye!